In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your TradingView chart to its default layout, an essential skill for anyone looking to keep their trading workspace organized and efficient. TradingView is a robust platform used by traders worldwide to analyze financial markets. Over time, your charts can become cluttered with multiple indicators, drawings, and settings. Knowing how to reset your chart can save you time and help you start fresh whenever needed. First, open your web browser and navigate to TradingView.com. If you haven't already, sign in using your Google account to access your personalized trading dashboard. Once logged in, head over to the chart section where you perform your usual analysis. This is where you can fully utilize TradingView settings. Next, focus on the chart itself. Find an open space within the chart area and right-click. A menu will appear with several options, and you're looking for the Reset Chart option. Selecting this will initiate the process of taking your chart back to its original layout. Upon clicking Reset Chart, another option will appear, Reset Chart View. Click on it to ensure all your chart elements revert to their original default settings. It's like giving your chart a clean slate, removing excess lines, boxes, or annotations that might have accumulated over time, and taking you back to the simplified setup you started with. After these steps, your TradingView chart should refresh automatically. You'll notice that all the former clutter has disappeared, and the layout now reflects the default state. Having a tidy workspace is crucial, especially in the fast-paced environment of trading. You're now all set to begin your analysis with a fresh perspective. While these steps are straightforward, remember that only the visual elements on your chart are reset. If you have any alerts, scripts, or specific settings saved in the background, those will remain unaffected. This ensures that you retain your tailored configurations while still benefiting from a cleaner display. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reset your TradingView chart to its default layout. This feature is incredibly handy when your chart becomes overly complex, making it difficult to see the bigger picture. Now you can efficiently clear unnecessary items and focus more intently on making informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial on how to reset your TradingView chart to its default layout helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of TradingView. If you have any questions or need clarifications, leave a comment below. We're here to help you navigate the trading world with ease and confidence. Happy trading!